larger the city grows, it does create huge economic impetus, creates jobs and opportunities for millions of people, and has a domino effect on private prosperity, but it appears to be accompanied by deteriorating quality of life. And some of the smaller cities, not all, but some of the smaller cities which offer better quality of life may not present adequate economic opportunity.
The default method of planning for most of India's cities is to move cars, move vehicles, and not move people. In a city like India, we cannot copy the American model of each family, each person owning a car. It has to be mass rapid public transport systems.
हमारे यहाँ मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़ के हिसाब से प्लानिंग बनती है, तो हम छोटे शहरों, पहाड़ी शहरों का जो एक प्रॉब्लम्स रहती हैं, क्योंकि हमारी कॉस्ट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन जिस हिसाब से होती है शहरों से बहुत ज़्यादा है। हमारे चैलेंजेस बड़े डिफरेंट हैं। हम पूरे इन्वायरमेंट को बचाने के लिए, और हमारे यहाँ डिज़ास्टर जब आता है तो बहुत डेंजरस, बहुत ख़तरनाक उससे आता है, जो बहुत भारी नुकसान कर देता है नेचर को भी।
More metros, more last mile connectivity enables workers. Most cities have become more livable by ensuring high densification. This is blocked in India, not by the poor, but by the rich.
Are we looking at long-term strategic interest, risk-informed planning? We've been attempting that, and we've also tried to bring communities into risk-informed planning. And what we see is that if you do not have an informed community, you will not have a risk-informed plan, because the smaller, ad hoc, personalized interests overweigh the larger good. And therefore, the system needs to actually work it out as to how do you ensure that the larger good does get reflected in the system and cannot get usurped by the dynamics of the good.
डायरेक्ट पावर्स नहीं है हमारे पास। देयर आर सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स, डिपेंड ऑन गवर्नमेंट्स कि आप हाउस से कोई प्रस्ताव भेजे फिर सरकार उसको स्वीकृत करती है। उससे पहले डायरेक्ट हम कोई डिसीजन लेना चाहे तो हमारे पास नहीं है।
You have to build capacities, bring in new technologies, bring in transparent payments, bring in accountability.
Allowing space for biodiversity and not made up gardens. In terms of long-term livability, I think cities need to mimic becoming a forest.